हे व्हाट्सअप गाइस, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ आईसीआईसीआई के दो कार्ड्स, जो कि है सफायरो एंड उसके साथ ही आने वाला प्रिविलेज कार्ड जो कि होता है ड्रीम फोक्स का कार्ड, और इसके बारे में भी डिटेल में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो गाइस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर देना ताकि आप जैसे ट्रैवलर्स तक ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो पहुँच सके। So, is it really worth to get the ICICI Sapphiro Credit Card in 2024? सो आंसर इज़ येस, क्योंकि अगर आपको ये एज अ अपग्रेड मिलता है अपने एग्जिस्टिंग कार्ड पे तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होने वाला है, क्योंकि इसमें है बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त बेनिफिट्स जैसे कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लाउंज एक्सेस और प्रीमियम बेनिफिट्स जैसे कि आप गोल्फ वगैरह खेल सकते हो, और साथ ही साथ आपको मिल जाता है इंटरनेशनल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लाउंज एक्सेस। सो इसको मैंने अनबॉक्स कर लिया और मैंने इसको यूज़ भी किया है, तो इसके काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे बेनिफिट्स है। बेनिफिट्स की लिस्ट में आपके साथ शेयर कर दूंगा आगे क्या क्या है, लेकिन उससे पहले आपको एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ बता देता हूँ कि इस कार्ड के साथ आपको ये जो प्रिविलेज कार्ड है ड्रीम फोक्स का ये भी मिलता है, लेकिन हो सकता है कि आपको एक साथ ना मिले। सो पहले आपको आईसीआईसीआई का सफायरो कार्ड मिल जाएगा और उसके बाद थोड़े दिनों बाद आपका ये डिस्पैच होगा कार्ड। सो डोंट वरी, क्योंकि मैं सोच रहा था कि भाई मेरा क्यों नहीं आया कार्ड, लेकिन ये उसी के साथ आता है। और एक चीज़ है कि इस ड्रीम फोक्स का कार्ड जो है इसका लॉगिन करने के लिए एक प्रोसेस होता है, वो एंड में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा, तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। एंड वीडियो अगर आप अभी तक देख रहे हो तो गाइस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर दो। सो जल्दी से चलते हैं मेरी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे और वहाँ मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको कि इस क्रेडिट कार्ड के क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स होने वाले हैं, और साथ ही साथ वीडियो के एंड में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ कि बेस्ट कार्ड इसके कंपटीशन में जो है वो कौन सा होने वाला है। सो वीडियो का एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। So we have here ICICI Sapphiro Visa Signature Card. You can get this card for free if you are a ICICI account holder, and just check for the upgrade on the website and you can get this card for free. If you are not a member, you can get this card by paying 6,500 rupees plus GST, and the annual fee is 3,500. So there is no fee waiver on this card, and the good part is you get all your money back in form of rewards and vouchers from Uber, Ismytrip, and Chroma, and your fees is given back to you in the form of vouchers. So you get 4 lounge access in a quarter, which means one lounge access every month, and you get in all 16 lounge access for domestic, and you get 2 lounge access internationally with the Dreamfolks Privilege Member Card that comes along with this card. And the reward point system is you get 2 ICICI reward points for 100 rupees spent, and you get 4 ICICI reward points on 100 rupees spent internationally. It attracts 3.5% of forex markup, and the eligibility is you should be an Indian resident, and annual income should be greater than 15 lakhs. ATM withdrawal charges is 3.67 rupees, 3.67%. So here comes the best part, the premium benefits. So you get buy one get one offer on Book My Show twice per month, 2 complimentary international lounge access I have already discussed, 4 complimentary domestic airport lounge access per quarter, and as an ICICI Bank Sapphiro member, you are entitled for complimentary golf rounds for 50,000 spends on retail in a calendar month. So if you spend rupees 50,000 in a month, so you are eligible for a golf round in a premium golf course, of course. You get a comprehensive insurance cover and air accident cover up to 3 crore rupees. So this is just like your travel insurance, but which is provided with your credit card. So I have listed down all the benefits that you get with this cover. So you can go through this. So to get the pin of your Dreamfolks card, you can call this number shown on the screen, or you can email this card information, the number of the card, to this particular email address, and they will provide you the pin. So there are 2 cards here that I have listed down. One is Axis Atlas, and another one is HDFC Bank Regalia Gold Credit Card. So Axis Atlas, you have to pay 5,000 rupees as a joining fee, and you get an add-on card for free. It has a 8 domestic lounge access across India, and outside India you can get 4. Reward point structure is pretty good. So you get 5 edge mile on travel spends and 2 edge mile on other spends. 1 H mile is equal to 1 rupee. So overall, the cashback on this card is really good. It gives you 5% cashback maximum, that is on travel spends. And there is a H miles conversion program that is offered by Axis. So it offers even better returns. And I have calculated for Vistara and IHG hotels. So you get overall 12% of benefit if you use these H miles using the conversion program. So there is a 3.5% forex markup charges, and the eligibility of this card is you should be a adult, and you should have annual income of more than 12 lakhs and above. You should be if you are self-employed, then your annual income should be 15 lakhs and above, and you should be a resident of India. ATM withdrawal charges, so it attracts 2.5% of the amount or 500 rupees, whichever is minimum. Let's move to HDFC Bank Regalia Gold. I have done a detailed review of this card on my channel earlier. If you want to check that out, link is in the description box. This card is really good, and I am personally using this for last 2 years now. So the joining fees is 2,500 rupees plus taxes. But if you are HDFC Bank account holder, you might get this card for free. But if you are not a member of HDFC Bank, then you have to pay 2,500 rupees. But don't worry, you get a gift voucher equivalent of the fee amount. And also you get a complimentary Club Vistara Silver Tire and Make My Trip Gold membership when you spend rupees 1 lakh and above within 90 days of card issuance. If you spend 4 lakhs in a 1 year, then the renewal fee gets waived off in the next year. The biggest benefit of this card is it has 12 complimentary lounge access both at domestic and international terminals in India. You have to apply for priority pass if you want to use uh, international lounge access outside India, and it offers 6 complimentary international lounge access per calendar year. The best part about this card is if you have this card, then you can get a priority pass for an add-on member once you complete 4 transactions on your HDFC Bank Regalia Gold card. So recently I have applied for priority pass, and now on my one card I can access 2 of the international lounge access using this card. That too free. You are eligible for 4 reward points on every 150 rupees spent retail, and 20 reward points if you spend on these particular brands. And you can redeem these points using smart buy or net banking. And the value of one reward point is 0.65 rupees, and if you are booking via smart buy, so value of one reward point is 0.5 rupees. So overall, if you see, the reward point benefit is almost greater than 2% if you do flight bookings. So it's a good card. The forex markup is 2%, and the eligibility is you should be adult and monthly income should be greater than 1 lakh. And for self-employed, your ITR file should be for greater than 12 lakhs per annum. So ATM withdrawal charges is 2.5% of amount or 500, whichever is higher. The additional benefit that you get on this card is a zero lost card liability. In the unfortunate event your card is covered, you just have to inform the call center before 24 hours. So you get 1500 rupees voucher for Marriott, Mintra, Marks and Spencer, Reliance Digital. Plus add-on thing is you have to spend 1.5 lakhs in a calendar quarter. So if you spend 1.5 lakhs in 4 months, then you are eligible for milestone benefit. And when you spend 5 lakhs in an anniversary year, you also get 5,000 rupees worth flight vouchers, and additional 5,000 rupees flight voucher when you spend 7.5 lakh rupees in 1 year. You get around 7.5% on the Swiggy Dine Out, almost 20,000 plus restaurants, and you are covered with the insurance. So this is really good if you are traveling and you suffer from an accident. So you are covered with 1 CR, and you have overseas hospitalization, and you get a emergency overseas hospitalization cover up to 15 lakhs, and credit liability cover up to 9 lakhs. So this is a really good option. So it's kind of your travel insurance. सो आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर देना। हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।